Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Glydecharge battery bank. This is the LifePo 4 version, so it's the lithium iron phosphate battery, and it is 99.84 watt hours. You can see the different charging specs on the sticker right there. One cool thing that sets this apart from most battery banks is it does have DC output, so 12 volts at up to 4.2 amps. Right there, it does come with this little barrel style connector. I don't really have too many uses for this, but I actually was able to plug this into my Netgear cable modem and try it out with that, and it did in fact power my cable modem. So you have the DC output right there in the middle, which they do include this cable. You have a USB-C port, and you have a USB-A port. Now, what's pretty cool about this is it also has a remote. So if I go ahead and turn it on here, if you press it once and then press it again and hold it until the lights go across like that, now you've enabled the remote control mode. So if I hit off on the remote here, we can see that the lights turn off. If I turn it back on, you can see that the lights turn back on. Now, the remote control only controls the USB-A port and the DC port. The USB-C port cannot be controlled with the remote. So just keep that in mind. And then if you want to turn it back off, when it's on like that, just press and hold. It turns back off. And that also disables the remote. So it's not, you can't turn it on with the remote anymore. So pretty cool little power bank here. I wish it kind of had more of a screen than just the dots, especially for a more advanced power bank like this with the remote control. Maybe app control or something would be nice, or a digital screen that actually gave you the percentage and the power output, but it does not give you any of that information. Like I said, here on the back are the charging specs. If you want to pause and read those, it tells you all the different all the different charging specifications supported. But very nice power bank. It is kind of heavy. It's not going to be like your portable travel type power bank. It's probably too big to go on a plane, but this is good if you want to use, like I said, to back up maybe your home cable modem or something like that, or you've got something you need to power with DC power with one of these barrel style connectors. It works just fine for that. So good little backup power source here. I will leave the links down below to the product on Amazon, where you guys can check it out if you want to pick one up for yourself. I'm Colin with Techout. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.